Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix you have reached your monthly limit a new chat messages error on WhatsApp. So if you are also going through this kind of error, just follow the methods discussed in this video. So the very first method, what you need to do is to check if the WhatsApp needs any kind of update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for WhatsApp, and now check if there is any update available. If yes, update your WhatsApp to the latest version, and after that check whether the error is resolved or not. If not, you should force stop the WhatsApp. For that, click and hold the WhatsApp icon over here. Now click on app info, and after that click on force stop and then click on OK. Now once done, check whether the issue is resolved or not. If not, you should clear the cache of the WhatsApp. For that, click on storage and cache option and then click on clear cache option. So once done, now try to check if the issue is fixed. If not, you should also check whether there is a proper internet connection or not. If your internet is fluctuating, you are suggested to go to Wi-Fi if you are using mobile data, or to vice versa, and make sure your internet is stable. Now after following all these methods, you should restart your phone once. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So once your phone restarts, now launch WhatsApp and then check whether the error you are coming across on chat messages is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.